Candidate number 12, mukha kang Gender equality is the path to gender inclusive society. Thank you. Kung ang araw palubog na, tsak gabi na. Pero pag ang pisngi ni candidate number 12 lumubog, tangina shit, shabu pa. Sa ngalan ng 7 Dragon Ball, candidate number 12, mukha kang bulbul. Tonight is the best celebration of beauty and diversity, where confidence takes the center stage and authenticity shines the brightest. In real life, this is Alexia Maisel Ramos, fresh, never been kissed, never been touched. In short, virgin. Eme, 18 years of age, hailing all the way from wak-wak-wak, sariwak-wak, ukik na piwak, lawak! But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to borrow the name of one of the most beautiful faces in the showbiz industry. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay palakpakan at iwan ang babaeng nagpauso ng can we smoke and fuck? O ang babaeng minsan nang nagpatigas sa nota ni Anthony Jennings? Maris Racal. Maris Racal na nagsasabing, kung pangit ka, huwag kang magtaka, nasa lahi nyo yan. Once again, this is candidate number 8, Maris Racal, 18, proudly representing the home of empowered women. So kayo, samahan ng kababaihan!
Good morning, candidate number 8.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so here's your question. We've had male presidents and female presidents. Hypothetically, if the next president will come from the LGBTQIA plus community, what do you think would be the greatest strength as a leader of our country? So again, we've had male presidents and female presidents. Hypothetically, if the next president will come from the LGBTQIA plus community, what do you think would be their greatest strength as a leader of our country?
Thank you so much. If the next leader of our country will from the LGBTQIA plus community, definitely that person would have a two personality. As we all know, na kapag bakla ka, doesn't mean bakla ka lang. It means that you have the capabilities of being a woman and being a man. And that means all things are possible, all things are feasible. According to Doi Tong principle, you make impossible possible. So definitely, kung isang leader ay isang mabuti, no matter what gender, no matter what race she or he is, definitely he would drive into progressive, into positive change where everyone is now feeling left behind and everyone will feel accepted regardless of who you are, what you are, and ladies and gentlemen, let us not belittle the part of LGBT, but let us uplift inclusivity, because for at the end of the day, gender equality is the path to gender inclusive society. Thank you.